WordPress hybrid hosting. I'm cheering in a new kind of hosting option for high-stakes WooCommerce stores. This is where you rent your own private cloud server, VPS, running the latest Ubuntu operating system and have another service manage the WordPress control panel. This tech provides vendor flexibility by splitting hosting into two. For e-commerce sites, you provision a high-performance dedicated CPU server, starting around $40 per month. The control panel service costs around $15 per month. Compare this to most managed WordPress private server hosts charging in the hundreds. The value-oriented server providers are Akamai, Linode, DigitalOcean, and Vultr. The portable WordPress control panel providers are Cloudways, GridPane, and SpinupWP, noting that Cloudways has become more DigitalOcean specific. Here's key features to be on the lookout for. Provision your fresh servers. Add or import sites. Set up free SSL certificates when adding domains and subdomains. Server-side caching, object and page caching. Per site. Backups, cloning, domains, redirects, logs, PHP selection, SFTP, SSH access. Root access to Ubuntu for further customization, except on Cloudways. Most WordPress hosting companies provide access to the database tools phpMyAdmin or Adminer. Instead, it's best to use a local app or phpMyAdmin on a local server using a port tunnel. Despite the performance and cost savings benefits, hybrid hosting setups may not provide the degree of support that come with traditional WordPress hosting. Definitely consider that there is some trade-off. Have a capable developer on call when using this tech. Check out the offer from SpinupWP in the description below. Curious about the deeply technical bits? View the manual server setup guide from SpinupWP, link in the description.